What's up, creatives, and welcome to another Romeo show. We've got your art therapy session sorted out for you this evening, where we're drawing, sticking to the Halloween theme, drawing this cool little pumpkin here, and we also have your 5-minute affirmations at the end of the video. So what were you waiting for? Let's roll intro. What's up, everybody? How is everyone doing? Hope you've had a good week and good weekend. If you're new to the show, my name is Romeo. I am a sketch and motivational artist. I upload art therapy videos on a Tuesday and Wednesday, Zentangle patterns on a Tuesday, and mandala drawings on a Wednesday, as well as a 5-minute affirmation for you to lead a positive and motivational life. So we changed up the mandala drawings for a Wednesday, and I'm getting back into drawing the original mandalas that I was doing previously. Not drawing from my book anymore. We are going to be getting out the compass and protractors and creating these amazing mandalas now. So we're getting back to the old school of drawing those circles. Last week's video, I wasn't showing you the dimensions or anything like that. I just went straight into drawing the mandalas. And what I'm going to be doing as well, I'm going to be doing a couple of other videos along with the mandala ones on the starting of it, the very beginning stages of it, all the dimensions, and using the protractor and compasses as well. So that's coming up in future mandala videos. And yes, we've been busy creating more books, creating more patterns, more designs for our Redbubble store as well. If you haven't already checked them out and you want to be getting into the Halloween theme, we have got plenty of Halloween designs on our Redbubble store, ranging from patterns, text designs, greeting card designs, loads on there, lots to look at. Check them out, link in the description below, as well as with our colouring books as well. We have Halloween colouring books, and we've also got our Christmas colouring books on our KDP Amazon account as well. Link is also in the description. So moving on to today's art therapy session, let's get that sorted out. Let's get that started, shall we? Drawing this very cool pumpkin, very easy to do. You're going to be drawing it in pencil, then going over it in pen. Drawing the outline of our pumpkin first, and then we're going to be filling it in with this really cool, easy to do pattern. So what are you waiting for, folks? Let's roll the video. how was that video for you guys? Hope you enjoyed that video. Give us a like if you did. And now let's move on to today's 5-minute affirmation. Get yourself nice and cozy, put on those headphones, relax, take in some deep breaths, and listen to these affirmations being said to you. It's chill out time.
Close your eyes and get comfortable. Sit back and relax and listen to these words. I am a money magnet. Money is drawn to me. I am attracting money at this very moment. The money I contribute always comes back to me, multiplied. Everything I touch turns to gold. I am ready and able to receive unexpected money. Money comes to me in expected and unexpected ways. I deserve to make more money. I am open and receptive to all wealth life brings me. My actions create constant prosperity. I constantly discover new sources of income. I welcome an unlimited source of income and wealth into my life. I release all negative energy over money. I constantly attract opportunities that create more money. Wealth constantly flows into my life. I use money to improve my life. I have more than enough money. My income is growing higher and higher. I am an excellent money manager. I attract money happily in my life. Money is abundant to me. I attract money easily and effortlessly. I use money to improve the lives of others. I attract money beyond my wildest dreams. Money is the root of joy and comfort. My money works hard for me to make me more and more money. I am the master of my wealth. I am able to handle large sums of money. Money creates a positive impact on my life and the life of others. I am at peace with having a lot of money. I can handle massive success with ease. Money expands in my life's opportunities. I am becoming more and more prosperous every day. I deserve abundance and prosperity. I attract enough passive income to pay for the lifestyle I want. I believe money is important. Money is energy. Money is good. I know that money is freedom. I get rich doing what I love. The universe will always serve my best interests. I am grateful for all the money I have now. I have a positive money mindset. Attracting money comes easily to me. I deserve to be rich. Thank you for listening. Now slowly open your eyes. Breathe in deeply and feel more relaxed. Thank you again for listening. Peace out.
And that's the end of the show, folks. Thank you all again for watching, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, click that bell and turn on notifications so you know when I upload a new video. My name is Romeo. This is Romeo Sketches, signing off. Peace out.